In the next minute plus, you're going to build a simple Python program that checks the strength of a password, perfect for beginners. Let's start by asking the user for a password. This stores whatever the user types into a variable called password. Next, we'll measure how long the password is using the len function. Len counts the number of characters. This is the first step in checking strength. Now, let's add simple rules. If the password is less than 6 characters, it's weak. Between 6 and 10, it's okay. More than 10, it's strong. These if statements let your program make decisions based on condition. Here's the full program. Pause the video and try it yourself. If you want more quick Python projects like this, subscribe and keep learning with me. We're just getting started.